guys, we got a severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Breckinridge County and North Central Kentucky until 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hardinsburg and moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Locust Hill, Graysville, Woodrow, Rosetta, Burris, Corners, Custer, High Plains, Fairfield, Hudson, and Dyer. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Louisville has issued a hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected.
Severe thunderstorm watch is about to come in.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations.
Here we go.
The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 354, effective until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday, or midnight Central Daylight Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Clark, Crawford, Floyd, Harrison, Lawrence, Orange, Perry, and Washington, and the following counties in Kentucky: Breckinridge, Bullitt, Hardin, Jefferson, and Meade. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.